Mesembryanthemum. Some common names of Mesembryanthemum plants include pig marigold, sea pig, ice plant, hot leaf ice plant, baby sunrose, and Hottentot pig. Plants height from 4 to 12 inches, making them ideal for use in terrace gardens or at the front of borders in your garden. Its flashy leaves, unique shapes and colors, and low maintenance requirements make a great choice for gardens and containers. These are bloom from spring to the end of summer. Mesembryanthemum plants are native to several areas of southern Africa. These are considered succulents because of its flashy leaves that hold a lot of water like cactus. These are also called ice plants because the leaves in this particular genus are often shiny and glistening like ice. Mesembryanthemum plants need warm conditions and don't tolerate overwatering or standing water. For growing Mesembryanthemums outdoors, you don't have to live in the tropics or the desert, but you do need frost-free winters. If your winters are too cold, these plants do take well to containers and indoor environments. Provide your Mesembryanthemum plant with soil that drains well. A sandy mixed soil will work. If growing in a container, be sure the pot can drain. Outdoors, these plants will tolerate dry, poor soils and even salt. Provide a mostly sunny spot or full sun. Indoors, a bright sunny window should sufficient. To water your Mesembryanthemum, soak the soil totally, but then don't water again until it has dried out completely. You can also apply a liquid fertilizer after the plants finish blooming for the summer. Thank you, my dear friends. If you like, please thumbs up and subscribe.